Hello everyone! In this video, we are learning how to draw Rumi Roblox step by step, using very easy shapes. This drawing tutorial is beginner-friendly and perfect for kids who love Roblox-style characters. Let's start. We will draw using simple shapes. This method makes drawing Roblox characters much easier. First, we draw a rectangle for the head. Then we quickly add a small neck and a simple rectangle for the body. Now, using a few basic rectangles, we create the arms and the legs. Follow my lines. See how easy it is when we go step by step. And now the hands. We draw simple, blocky hands, just like Lego-style Roblox hands. Rumi's most loved feature is her hair. We draw the braid using flowing lines, following one line after another. Next, we draw the eyes. Simple eyes are enough to give expression. And now it's time to meet our character. Let's add a friendly smile. When we think of Rumi, the first thing that comes to mind is her famous yellow jacket. As the lines follow each other, the jacket becomes very easy to draw. You can use these same simple shapes to draw your own Roblox character too. Now, let's add the details. The chain, the jacket details, and the shoes. And now it's coloring time. We use skin color for the face, purple for the hair, yellow for the jacket, and dark blue for the shorts. For the belt and shoes, we use pink. To define the borders, we use black. And for small details, we add a little red. A small tip while coloring. Always start with the lightest color and move to the darker tones. This makes coloring easier and cleaner. You don't need to use the exact same colors. Use the markers or pencils you already have. Don't limit yourself. Finally, we gently go over the main outlines with a black pen to make our drawing look clean and finished. And that's it. You did an amazing job today. If you enjoyed drawing Rumi from K-Pop Demon Hunters, don't forget to like this video. And if you would like to learn how to draw more Roblox-style characters, you can subscribe to the channel and draw with me again. Thank you for drawing with me. See you in the next video.